we woke up again in the town of Mazunte in the southwest part of Mexico. Today we would continue our trip up the coast and in to the world famous town of Puerto Escondido. Hello and welcome to another video. We are here in this bungalow or whatever you call it.
Cabana.
That you might have cabana that you might have seen in the last video. We're gonna go eat some breakfast and then we're gonna go to Puerto Escondido, which is a surfing town here in the southwestern part of Mexico. Are you ready to go and have breakfast?
Yes.
Are you hungry?
Omelet.
What are you gonna eat? Omelet,
Coffee,
as always.
maybe another omelet.
Omelet is what she loves to eat.
Yeah. Do you want deodorant?
Yes, I want deodorant, please. We were staying in really luxurious places this past week, but yesterday we stayed here. It was a bit cheaper, $25 per night. But today we're actually going to a really nice place in Puerto Escondido. It's kind of nice anyways. We slept in here.
Yeah,
And
I liked it a lot. Let's go get food. Food!
Here is really nice actually. The beach is about a 5-minute walk that way, so you can stay for decently cheap here in Mazunte, where we are now. As I said, $25 for this little cabana. As you might have seen in the last video, this town is really like a hippie town. But really nice vibe. Everyone is really relaxed and there's no stress, and here we have some horses also. Hello horses. Hello. This is where we're gonna have breakfast. We've seen so many hippies here in this town, so we started talking about what a hippie is, or like the definition of a hippie. So I looked it up. It says, usually a young person who rejects the mores of established society by dressing unconventionally or favoring communal living. I'm waiting for some tostadas, and she's waiting for her omelette. And then we have to check out and take the bus to Puerto Escondido. What else has happened?
We have like 30 minutes before we have to check out of our cabana, so hopefully we get our food.
Yeah. Are you hungry now?
I want my omelet. It's my favorite thing for breakfast, omelets.
I have never actually had an omelette in my whole life, ever. Because I can't eat eggs. Allergic. I get sick.
Omelets are great. They're very, very nutrient dense.
It's the best salad we got actually. Tostadas, so good. It's like a little mountain of chicken, cheese, guacamole, avocado, lettuce, and tomatoes. They're playing Bob Marley, or they were playing Bob Marley on the radio. We finished all the food. Oh, so good. Very, very great success. Incredible day today. It's been sunny actually every single day since I came to the west side of Mexico. It's perfect. Always sunny here in this region of Mexico.
You want to just watch my camera?
Yeah, I will. So the bags are packed again, and it's nice. Life is nice actually when you just pack up and go. I've said it before, but it's always something new and interesting happening. We stay in different places. So I'm really excited now to go to Puerto Escondido. So we have to take a taxi up to a town called San Antonio, 7 kilometers from here. 4 miles, or I don't know, a couple of miles. And then we have to take a bus from there to Puerto Escondido. We paid 100 pesos or $5 for a 15-minute ride. San Antonio. We're going to San Antonio. The taxi was taking us away from the town of Mazunte and up the coast and more inland. We were going up 7 kilometers to one of the highways that go along the coast. We came into a town here called San Antonio, and we're gonna see if we can take a little bus here to Puerto Escondido on the other side of the road. We were about to go a bit further up the southwest coast of Mexico and into Puerto Escondido. So we're waiting here now, and they said a taxi would cost 700 pesos to go to Puerto Escondido, but the colectivo is probably gonna cost about 50 pesos, so like much cheaper. So we're gonna try to take the colectivo now and see if we can have any success. The bus is here, the big bus actually that goes all the way to Puerto Escondido. The bus ride had cost a total of 100 pesos for both of us, which is about $5, and a 1-hour bus ride. We're almost in Puerto Escondido now after about 1 hour on the bus. Really nice, you can see, we saw actually a lot of cool landscapes, the mountains on that side. We got off at the highway that goes through the town. The town has a population of 45,000 people. We had come in close by to the most famous beach called Playa Zicatela. In the coming video you will see all the 7 beaches in this town. There is a main road that goes all the way through town. In the background you can also see the mountains, but on the other side you have a huge beach and smaller roads that lead all the way down to the main beach called Zicatela. This beach is 4 kilometers long or 2.5 miles and also 220 yards wide, which is around 200 meters. And we would soon be going down there. Now we had come into the hotel close by to the beach, and I was really excited that there was a swimming pool there. We have arrived to the next place.
Stuff coming out of it.
We are here in Puerto Escondido. How much did we pay for this? 50?
37.
37. Actually one of the best deals I think we've had since we've been traveling around here down the coast. $37 US for a pretty nice place, and also really close to the beach, about 2-minute walk. It was a really nice hotel room for that price, considering what we had paid before and what we got for that price before. There's also a swimming pool here. Hopefully we can do some pool tricks before we go from here. Now we're gonna jump into the pool. It was a nice day and perfect for some pool tricks off of the building. Now you can buy my Pool Tricks t-shirts. If you go into the site, you'll have many different options of things you can buy. The frying has been successful, the pool tricks have been successful. Now we just need to eat some chips and buy some milk maybe. It's been a while since I had milk. Need to buy some milk. Okay, let's go and check out Playa Zicatela, which is the main beach here in Puerto Escondido. The longest beach. Very, very good. It's time for the beach. I've been waiting for this moment. The temperature is so nice. Not a single cloud in the sky. And only about a 2-minute walk to the beach. really, really perfect. It was an incredible environment, and probably around 90 degrees Fahrenheit, or almost 30 degrees Celsius. Now we were on our way down the steps and into the beach. We had come out to the world famous beach, Playa Zicatela. It's mostly known for having really incredible surfing spots, but also because it's so wide and so nice. This might be the perfect location since the high temperature outside never goes below 85 degrees Fahrenheit at any part of the year. We came down to the beach and we are ready. The shorts are on and I think we're gonna jump in. Are you ready to swim?
Yeah, I'm ready.
The waves look kind of big actually.
They do. This is the beach that's famous for surfing. Yeah.
So what do we do?
Yeah.
We really enjoyed hanging out on this beach. Now I was about to climb up in a coconut tree again, as you might have seen before. What you have to do is grab the tree with the inside of your feet and then squeeze it so you can keep yourself up. And then you have to twist the coconut between 5 to 8 times before it falls to the ground. I got the machete from a nearby restaurant because we wanted to open the coconut. We got a machete from some people over there, and so we're gonna open the coconut. It's really big, actually, really heavy, probably like 2 kilos, 4 pounds.
I think I felt the liquid come out.
When you see a brown, smaller coconut in the store with a hard shell, this is where it comes from. They have just removed the green parts and taken the inside of it. Is it good?
Super good. Wow. Yum.
Nom 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 nom.
Yum. So good.
Really good. The sun had almost gone down and the last surfers were about to get out of the water. It's a really incredible evening. Very nice. Actually, so many people here. It seems like a huge town. I decided to go for an evening swim and cool off. Now it's dark, so we're going back home. We came up to the top that you saw earlier. There's a little hot tub here. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Sometimes I like to have just one beer and sit and relax for a bit. We're here at this restaurant and we got some chips, 3 sauces, and I got some Diet Coke. We also ordered salads. Again, we got some really great food, and it seemed like the town of Puerto Escondido was much cheaper than the other towns we had come from. Here you could get a meal for about 60 pesos, or less than $3 US. Here is Playa Zicatela, the sign that we have here. It seems a bit empty actually on the streets. This is the end of the adventures for this time. The next morning. Maria had to unfortunately go back to Texas where she lives and works, so I had to continue the trip on my own.